Thanks for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. I hope you're enjoying the Europe and Africa series of videos that I'm uploading now. I want to do a quick video, hopefully it's quick. A lot of people ask me what mount I use to hold my cell phone on the motorcycle, and it's this Ram spring activated holder. I'm gonna go ahead and I bought this brand new one now. I have 3 of them already on different motorcycles, so I just got this one here. I'm gonna set it up for my WR250R. So the phone I currently have is the iPhone 6, the regular size, and basically it just clips on like that, and then these little arms you could bolt them onto the RAM mount right here in different locations, and then adjust them and tighten them to the width of your phone. But I'm pretty sure that bigger iPhone Plus and the other big Samsungs, they will not fit on this particular cell phone holder. But let's go ahead and set this one up for the iPhone 6, and then I'm going to put it on the motorcycle and show you how it works. This one here I have on my other motorcycles, and all of my off-road, on-road, I've never lost my phone or dropped my phone. This one here is a great mount if you have a wind visor on your motorcycle and it stops a lot of the wind. And it also comes with this little plastic piece that comes around the back, which I don't have right now, and you could wrap it around your phone. But it's just extra work, and you do have the risk of having your phone fall off with this type of mount. So all of these are great mounts, but this one is the absolute best if you don't want your phone to fall. I'll put a link to these products in the description if you want to check them out. It does not come with this ball mount. You have to buy this separately. I think it's like $5 or $6, and then you just screw it to the back here, and then you would just put it on one of these other mounts here, RAM mounts, and then this end would go on the motorcycle, or you could have one of these clamps. So these are the little side legs for the mount to hold the phone sideways. So basically you put your phone and you see where your buttons are, and then you place these accordingly. Not too tight, it's just enough to prevent the phone going sideways. Leave these a little bit loose until you finish all 4. Put your phone on and make sure it's in the right place. Okay, all 4 are on loosely. You could still adjust them side to side. So we'll go ahead and open them up, put the phone, and then you'll see how far you could go. Okay, all side mounts tight. Perfect. In one motion you take it off or put it on. Very secure way to hold your phone on the motorcycle. Let's go ahead and put the back base plate. These are all lock nuts, so they're not going to back out on you on vibration. And this is all made in the USA, so that's cool. Good quality stuff. There you go, all finished. Let's go ahead and put it on the motorcycle now. Alright, here's my WR250R, and here's where I'm going to mount the cell phone mount. This is another piece that you need to buy on Amazon. I'll put a link for everything in the description. And I have this type of ball mount directly to the handlebar mount. Also have another one here on the Barkbusters handguard. Okay, there you have it. That's it. Phone is nice and safe. I use it for GPS, for music, and it's ready for the next adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Look at this. Wow.